So, hello everyone. So, we have seen till now the e-commerce application in which what we did was we created this list of products, and when we click on add to cart, so it was going to the cart and we were able to calculate the amount total price of the products. We could increase, we could decrease, we could remove, so everything was working fine. And we even saw the sorting of the products and the filtering of the products. Okay, so now we'll see how do we search for the books. So for example, we have a big list of books here. Let's say unlocking Android. So if I type here Android, it would show me only the books which are having Android in their title. Okay, for example, let me go back to our original application where I have already completed the application. Here we can see, suppose I type here Android. So now it is showing only the Android books. So how many books are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, just like that. For example, if I type Flex, I get only the books which are having Flex in their title. Okay, so this is what we need to achieve in our, and when we reset the text, suppose Flex is written, so we are getting the Flex books. When I reset everything, when I remove, again all the total product list is coming. Okay, fine. So this is the behavior we need in our existing application. So how do we do that? So for this, what we will do is we will use a search pipe. Okay, we'll use a custom pipe for searching. Okay, and again the thing is the search box is in the header component, but we need to make the changes in the home component. So the same procedure what we did for sorting and filtering, the same thing we'll do here. What we'll do is when we write something here, for example Flex, this text needs to be sent to the maybe the book service. Okay, from that book service, what we'll do, using a subject, we'll send that data to the home component, and according to that text we will show only those products which are having Flex in their name. Okay, okay, let's start then. Let's go back to our header component and let's see what we had left. So let's say this is the header component. So what we did was we did up to here. We had to put a search box here, isn't it? Where we had a ng model with a binded with a search text. So this search text was a so let's say I'll make it an empty string. So initially it is empty string because we are not searching anything. Okay. So in this input field, whatever we search, it will whatever we type, that will go there. Okay. Fine. Now whatever we type here, it will be stored in this search text property. That's okay. But what is to be done is when I write something, so that text needs to be sent to the what it is called, to the service, isn't it? But we don't have any button here, isn't it? When I write, automatically it should go. I don't have any search button or something, so I don't want to keep that. We can keep a search button, but I don't want to keep that. It should automatically push it to the, send it to the service. So what we can do, we can bind it to the on key up event. Okay, so yeah, okay, so we'll go back to our header component. So what we need to do here is we'll bind the on key up event to this input field. Okay, so here I write key up, and I can I should put a method like search book or something. Okay, search book of, so what text needs to be passed, the search text needs to be passed. Okay, so the search text I will pass it to the search book method. Okay, now what will this search book method do? it will just pass this text to the service. That's it. It will not do anything else. Okay. So we need to go back to our component.ts file. Here we'll create this method search book of search text. Okay. So here after the sorting, we can put a method like this search book of search text. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay. Search text is of type any. Okay, fine. So here what we'll do is we'll just put it there. So before that, what we need to do is in the what it is called book service. In the book service, we need to have a property named the search text or something. Okay. So first we need to create a property there in the book service. Then we can save it there. So here let me put something like search text. Okay. So after the price filter, I'll put a search text. Search text is of type any and initially it is empty string. Okay, fine. Now this thing is there. Then we will have a method which will set the value of this. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll create a method. Let's say get search string or something. Get search string. Get search string method. What it will do? It will take the a search text value from that header component. Okay, and it will set it here. So what it will do, it will just do this dot search text is equal to this search text. Okay, it will just set it. Okay, after setting it, what it needs to do, it will save the value from the header component, and immediately it has to send this data to the home component through a subject. Okay, so we'll create a search subject as well. So search subject is equal to new subject. Okay, now this search subject we need to use here. So this dot search subject dot next, and what we will send, we'll send the this dot search text, and we need to subscribe it there. Okay. Okay, fine. So this is what the we need to write in the book service. Now this get search string method, we need to use it in our header component to set the value, isn't it? To 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 call this method, we will go back to our header component. Here in the search book, what we'll do is, so this dot book service dot get search string of what? Search text. Okay. So what will this do? This will pass this value to the um, book service, and a book service will set the search text, and after setting the search text, it will use the subject to send the value. Now yeah, so now the thing is one part is complete. So the next thing is what we need to do is we have to go to the that home component where we will receive this value. Okay. So yeah, so now we will go back to our home component. Okay, so in the home component, just like the previous cases, in the ng on init, we need to first get the value of the search text. Okay, after that what we will do is, after getting the search text, we have to use that search text to filter the data. So for filtering, what we will do is we'll use a custom pipe. Okay, so using that custom pipe, what it will do, according to the text, search text that we receive from the service through the subject, that search text will be used to filter the books, which books are having that particular text in their title, and then it will be mm, used to display only those books which are having that name. Okay, fine. So here in the ng on it, let me write something. So this dot book service dot search subject dot subscribe. Okay, these are book services subject dot subscribe. So what we will get from there, we will get a search text, and it the search text is any. Then what we need to do is search text. So here we need to have a search text property. Okay, so let me create a search text property. Search text the type any, for example, and this search text I have to set it here. So this dot search text is equal to the search text that we got from the subject. Okay, that's it. So for to avoid confusion, let me make this as search string. Okay, otherwise you will get confused because both the names are similar. So search string, I'm setting it to search text. Okay, that's the only thing we need to do here. Now this search text property is now having some value it is getting from the service. Now this search text value we have to use to pass it to the custom pipe. Okay, so let me create a custom pipe. Okay, so where will I create that custom pipe? I will create it inside the core folder. Okay, app core. Here we are having all the services, and then pipes, everything will have it here. Okay, so book service is there. So let me ng generate pipe. What name I'll give? I'll name it as search pipe. Okay, ng generate pipe search pipe. Okay, so the search pipe is created. Now we will use the search pipe. So first let me do one thing. So how does pipes work? Pipe will take some value. So what it will do is, it is basically a filter pipe. So it will be used for filtering. So for filtering, what we need one array. We in where we will filter something. What will filter according to some condition, some. So here we have a search text. So that search text we have to search in the array. So we will take two things, the array and the search text. Okay, so let me go to the search pipe. So this is the search pipe. It is having nothing. So this value will be books. That may be that books array, isn't it? And books it is written unknown. So let me write any array. Okay, books is of type any array. And then we will have a, instead of args, we'll have a search text. Okay, search text is what? Search text is actually a string, but we can put it as any for now. Okay, no problem. So here we have this transform function. So inside this we are writing this. Okay, now here what we will do, we need to use this thing. So now if the search text is okay, return and write any. Okay. So here what is to be done, if the search text, there is no search text, for example, we'll go back to our original application. This is not our existing, this is the complete application. So here when I'm not writing anything, what it is doing, it is showing us all the books, isn't it? So I have to do that part also. So if there is no such text, for example like this, there is no such text, then what is to be done? Then return all the books. So whatever books I am accepting here as an argument, same books I'll return it. Okay, then if this is not the condition, then what we need to do, then we need to do this part. So we'll return, what we will return, we will return the filtered data. So books dot filter, what we will filter here, We write it as book. Here what we need to filter is a return. The condition is, so we have to use a string method. Okay, what string method we will use? uh, the book title. This book will have a title. So this book title, if it contains this search text, then return only those books which are having that string in that title. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll take the book dot title. Okay, I took the book dot title. Now the title may have some capital letter, a small letter. So what I'll do, I'll make it first to lowercase. So what will happen, whatever, whether it is capital letter or small letter, it all everything will be converted to lowercase, so there will be no confusion. Okay, now in this name, this title, book dot title, we have to check whether a particular string is there or not. So for that we have a method called includes. Okay, includes, what does it include? We have to check for this search text. Okay, so if it includes search text, and again the search text may be having capital letter, small letter. Okay, so what I will do is I'll again convert this search text to lowercase as well. Lowercase. Okay, now if it includes this search text, it will return true, and that particular book will be returned to book.filter, and those books will be returned as an array from this transform function. Okay, so that data will be received by the home component and it will be displayed. Okay, fine. Now we have created the pipe. The pipe is complete. There is nothing to be done here. Everything is done because this line is the main thing. Okay, now we need to use this pipe. So where are we using this pipe? We are using this pipe in the home component. Okay, so in the home component, while displaying, so we need to modify our code a little bit. So I'll show you. In the home component, we were doing a let a book of books, isn't it? But now this books is not constant. That means these books will be displayed according to the search text. If the search text is nothing, then it will show all books. If the search text is something, then it will filter according to the text. Okay, so what I need to write is I have to apply the pipe here. Okay, so how do I apply the pipe? So here I write like this. To these books, I need to apply the search pipe. So what was the name of the pipe? It was search. Okay, that we created just now, and it will take an argument that is the search text. Okay, because this search text is there in the here in our ts file, in our component.ts file, we already have set the search text from the search subject. Okay, so this search text will be passed to the pipe, because this pipe is taking two things. Pipe is taking books and search text. Both are being taken by the search, books and search text. Okay, so that's what we need to pass. Okay, I hope that is enough. Now let's see, go back to our application. So here something is wrong. Search, so it is saying no pipe found with name search. So why that is happening? Because this where is that search pipe? Search pipe is in the it is inside the core module, isn't it? So in the core module we have to export the search pipe. So imports and then exports. So exports array should be there. Here we will put the search pipe. So now when we export it, then after that we have to import this core module. That means where is our shared module? Shared module is having this. In the shared module, I'll import the core module. Okay. Now let's see. Yeah. Now everything is fine. Now let me search here flex, flex. Can you see? When I wrote flex, all the flex books are coming. Okay. So let me remove everything and write something like Android. Okay, let me write Android, Android. So all the Android books are coming. So it doesn't care whether I am writing capital letter or small letter. Here I wrote capital A. So let me write small a, Android. Even then it is coming. Okay. So whether you write capital letter, small letter, everything is converted to lowercase, and then it is compared with the main object, main array of objects. So main list of products. So everything will work fine now. Okay. So that's it for the search. Okay. Yeah.